There are two versions of mobile gambling available to players gambling online with established casinos. Do I have what it takes? The DNA of a card counter. So it's just that easy. Master the steps and waltz into the nearest casino to win big as a card counter. Well, yes and no. Allow me to illustrate. 1. Texas Hold'em. The most popular poker game in the world, learning Texas Hold'em is a must for any budding player. How to choose the best casinos. Playing casino games online is fun, especially if you win a huge payout. That's why it's important to find the best online casinos for your bankroll. Players need a casino site that is reliable, secure, offers a good variety of games, and pays out winnings quickly. Online casino terms can be confusing, and for new players, the lack of knowledge can even cause trouble. As most casinos protect themselves with a long list of terms and conditions, it is important that you know what you're up against. If your hand hasn't busted, and you didn't surrender, then it's time for the dealer to play their hand. The dealer will first flip over their whole card, the face-down card, and add up their 2-card hand. If the dealer has a hand total of 17 or higher, they will automatically stand. If the dealer has a hand total of 16 or lower, they will take additional hit cards. Doubling, splitting, and surrender are not available to the dealer, and the dealer does not have any choice with how they play their hand like the player does. The dealer must play their hand the same way every time. The only exception is when the dealer has a 17 that consists of an ace and a 6. This is called a soft 17, and, depending on the casino, this hand is sometimes hit by the dealer because it can also count as a 7, due to the flexible value of an ace, giving the dealer more chances to get a better hand than 17. This gives the casino a bigger advantage than if the dealer stands on all 17s. Whether or not the dealer will hit a soft 17 will usually be prominently displayed, in text on the felt, so you know how to expect the dealer to play their hand. Again, dealers do not have the option to deviate from the rules set by the casino. Payouts. Okay, so you're done playing your hand and the dealer is done playing their hand according to the restrictions above. One of two things will happen. An elite player, on the other hand, will raise with this hand because he has made an observation that the table is playing passively. Is there anything else that should be known about no wager free spins? It's obviously great that an online casino would provide you with free spins that don't have wagering requirements attached to them. These basically give you somewhat of a free rein to spin the reels of a video slot without worrying about whether or not you'll be able to withdraw anything at the end of them.